Hello, what's up guys? Good afternoon. Welcome to Yolax TV. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel ko, don't forget to click the button subscribe. Tuturuan ko kayo ngayon gumawa ng MTV. Music Tagalog. Kalimutan ko yung meaning ng MTV. Music. Basta yun, MTV. Yung mga drama na lagyan mo ng mga sounds. Okay? Bisaya. So, ganito. Start now. So, ganyan lang, kuha lang natin ng ganyan. Pero papatungan natin ng kanta yan. Okay, let's start. Patungan natin ng kanta. Let's go!
Girl, I've been searching so long in this world, trying to find someone who could be what my picture of love was to me.
Ganun lang. Kailangan may araw ka. Mga araw na maganda. Wow! Oh, pakita ulit natin ng bago, ha? Okay.
Malungkot. Ang masaya.
Minsan oo, minsan hindi. Minsan I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away. As you fade away, as you fade away. just your friend. Holding hands is fine, but I've got better things on my mind. You know it could happen if you'd only see me in a different light. Baby, when we finally get together, you will see that I was right. Say you love me, you know that it could be nice if you'd only say you love me. Don't treat me like I was size alone. Please love me. I'll be yours and you'll be mine. If you'd only say you love me, baby, things would really work out fine. Don't you know that I want to be more than just
So
your
ganun lang guys, paggawa nun, magkonting drama, video-videohan yung mga paligid, kung ano yung mga nakikita mo, videohan mo, tapos ano mo, lagyan ng transition, lagyan mo ng slow motion. Slow motion ganito.
Baby, when we finally get together, you will see that I was right. Say you love me. You know that it could be nice if you'd only say you love me.
Ganun yung slow motion. Kailangan bigyan ng drama. So, yan. Kung gusto nyo matuto talaga, kailangan nyo maging tawag dito, creative. Yun. So guys, hanggang dito na lang. Kung gusto nyo matuto, just comment na lang at ibibigay ko sa inyo ang mga magwawalis muna ako guys. Magwawalis na ako. Okay, bye-bye.